As an ice maker, the supplying-demand spark-proof ice maker truly shines. It's like a quiet hero in your fridge. This unit brings ice production back to life. It replaces several common models. For instance, it fits W11322152 and W11456887. This makes it a versatile choice. Furthermore, its spark-proof design offers peace of mind. Safety is a big deal, and this ice maker delivers. Also, installation is straightforward. You can often do it yourself. Therefore, you save money on service calls. Overall, it's a dependable and necessary upgrade. Moreover, the supplying-demand spark-proof ice maker performs consistently. It produces a steady stream of ice. Think of it as a tiny, efficient ice factory. And it does so without fuss. It's quieter than older models. Consequently, your kitchen remains more peaceful. This particular ice maker is designed for durability. It's built to last, so you won't need to replace it soon. Plus, it integrates well with your refrigerator. It seems to fit right in. This is a crucial feature for any replacement part. Hence, it truly delivers on its promises. Finally, considering a replacement, the supplying-demand spark-proof ice maker is a strong contender. It offers a fresh start for your ice needs. Also, it's an investment in convenience. You'll appreciate the ready supply of ice. Furthermore, its spark-proof nature is a significant advantage. This adds a layer of security. On the whole, it's a sensible purchase. It resolves a common household issue. Ultimately, it brings satisfaction. And it keeps drinks cold. Pros: compact and portable design, easy to use, no ash or smoke, less lingering odor, no cleaning needed, heats tobacco, doesn't burn it, consistent taste, good battery life, quick charging, more affordable than other models. Cons: ice maker stuck in fill mode, full ice bin full of water, no instructions, defective out of the box, would not go into harvest mode, over 2 inches of water in ice bin, not an OEM part. Features: model W11556926 refrigerant, R600 a compatible, safety, spark-proof design, function, refrigerator ice maker, brand. Supplying demand, replaces W11322152 replaces W11456887 type. Ice maker, part number, R600A. Easy to replace. The supplying demand W11556926 is a spark-proof ice maker for refrigerators. It uses R600A refrigerant, which is a common and safe type. This ice maker is designed to be easy to replace, making it a good choice if your old ice maker isn't working. It can be used in place of older parts like W11322152 and W11456887. The supplying demand W11556926 R600 a refrigerator spark-proof ice maker is a small, easy-to-use device that heats tobacco without burning it, leading to less ash, smoke, and lingering odor. It offers a consistent taste, good battery life, and quick charging, all at a more affordable price than similar models. However, some users have reported issues with the ice maker getting stuck in fill mode, flooding the ice bin with water, and not going into harvest mode. It also appears to be a defective, non-OEM part that comes without instructions.